Yeah, we gonna get rich. So when we get rich, I'm gonna get some of that good old shit from Savannah County.
I'm gonna go from Mississippi. I'm feeling nauseated.
Yeah, for real?
I'm feeling nauseated from that
Yeah,
shit.
no, open that front door there.
It ain't went through, but I'm feeling
Open
nauseated.
that door there. Let's open the door there. Yeah, I don't like that shit. You see that shit?
You just put them up and pull
I'm finding around. I don't want to tell you. That's Georgia. I know Georgia. He showed Savannah on that shit. Waycross, Brunswick, Savannah. That's it, yo. You know, that's the whole thing right now.
Where on that? What's up there? Where on that?
That's Atlanta right here.
What's
That's
up?
right here, nigga, over my cloud.
Yeah.
You know? I find that shit out there, yeah.
I'm talking to you.
Yeah, you live. No way.
Hey man, look at me. We acting bad. Fast Lane ENT, drag. You know, they 2 G's. Don't get it confused. You know what I'm saying? Dapper Cheese, Mississippi Legends, MRD, PA. Hey, you know what I'm saying? South Carolina Finest. We ride. We acting bad, nigga. You know what I'm saying?
With the drug scene.
Yeah, really bad.
Re-rock ain't no clean.
Yeah, for real. So Re-rock ain't no clean. So niggas through with the drug scene. You know what I'm saying? So it's about this money, man. You know what I'm saying? It's coming at you hard and in effect, nigga. The videos is coming out. Man, everything is going down like the piss. Bitches. Throw.